So let's get started on vegan sweet potato pie. Oh shit.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, ThatChocolateVegan, with me, Erin Wells, and it is officially pie season. So let's get started on sweet potato pie. Alright, I've already peeled the 2 sweet potatoes, so now I'm going to put them in my food processor. Half a cup of almond milk. Go ahead and blend that up.
Yep, I still ain't got a new food processor. I don't need your judgment.
I'm gonna add 1 stick of Earth Balance vegan butter. Now this little stick is equivalent to about 7 or 8 tablespoons. 1/2 a cup plus 1/4 a cup of brown sugar. I feel like that's 5/8. Is that 5/8? Am I not utilizing a measuring cup? Whatever. 1 tablespoon cinnamon. 2 teaspoons nutmeg. Now let's blend. That is what we're looking like. Ooh wee. All right, by hand, I'm gonna stir in some egg replacer. I'm gonna put in 2 eggs. The instructions are on the back. I know y'all fussing at me. I almost forgot 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. You guys are up close. I'm gonna get this bad boy a little tasty. What we working with. Oh, that's diabetes, baby. All right, now that we're done with the mixture, go ahead and preheat your oven to 350 degrees. Now y'all, I did to make a homemade pie crust, and it wasn't success, okay? We're gonna be using this Kroger Simple Truth 9-inch pie crust. Yeah, ooh, this is tough. Hold up, how you unroll this? Y'all, I broke it. Ooh, I don't know what to do. I just read the box. Bring crust to room temperature. I just took this out the fridge. All right, it's been 40 minutes, so let's give this another go. Preheat your oven again. Yeah, that. All right, let's open the other one. Okay, careful. You're the last one. Okay, no. Stop putting a hole in yourself. Believe. Let's use some of this one. And maybe double crust. I hear y'all. I hear you typing. Leave me alone. Finally time for our filling. We'll see this beautiful disaster in an hour. A lot of people have been inquiring about CBD oil, and this is the brand I am affiliated with. I get sent a lot of things, guys, and I don't talk about them because they are trash. This actually did what it was supposed to do. Off the top of my head, I'm not gonna lie, I can't remember all the health benefits, but number 1 thing it did for me was relieve anxiety. It's 20 drops twice per day. Does it taste good? No, not at all. Here is what it looks like. It's literally oil. So I was just dropping it in the back of my throat, and instantly I just felt relaxed. It's THC free, so you're not going to get high. It's legal in all the states. No worries about it, guys. All right, back to our regular scheduled program. All right, here is what we have. It's still actually warm, but it should be good enough to cut open. Looks good to me. So as y'all can see, it is not done. I am so sad. We're gonna do it over. All right. See y'all tomorrow. All right, guys, it is the next day, and we are still making this pie because I do not play about Thanksgiving recipes. We gotta get it right. All right, so I have the mixture ready to go, and we're gonna add 3 eggs this time. We're gonna leave the pie in the oven for a whole hour. You ready? Let's go. I think the crust from yesterday was better than this, but it's okay. This time it's going in the oven for real for 1 hour.
This gotta work out. I don't got no more sweet potatoes. I don't got no more sweet potatoes. No more.
Guys, it has been 1 hour and 45 minutes for the pie to cool, so I think we're ready to cut. There's your look inside. But I'm gonna stick this in the fridge because it's still like hot. And this gotta be it, because I told y'all I ain't got no more potatoes. Alright, so I'm gonna taste this one, even though it is, again, soft, but I think it's just because it's still hot, right? That is so good. Oh, it's so good. This crust is put on real bootleg, but you already know that. You saw me put it together. Alright guys, I'm here with the lovely
Joanna Aldrich Wilson.
Yes, you can follow her on all her social media sites. I'll post them all right here. She already been roasting my crust, y'all. She said it looks very...
I have not crust. Can I lift it up?
Yeah, please.
Oh.
They already said it is fine.
Her crust is quite, what's it, artisanal? Is that
Oh.
the word? Like, it's rustic.
I don't bake. I don't bake. So I gave her both pies, the one from yesterday and today, and see if she tastes a difference. I already told her the one from today is not firm. I Googled that it's supposed to firm for 4 hours, and it's been firming for 1 hour, so.
I have a question.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, I'm used to my sweet potato pies being orange.
Orange. Now,
If these are brown. They're like, they look like pumpkin, but
Brown
I know
sugar.
this is not a pumpkin.
brown sugar.
It better not be a pumpkin.
It is not a pumpkin. No,
Okay,
no.
I don't do pumpkin.
No. I was thinking about
letting
going
you
to the
know.
store and getting other, but I was like, this tastes fine to me, so I didn't worry about the color. But yeah, if you guys want a lighter, what does Grandma usually use?
Sweet white cane sugar.
White cane sugar. Brown sugar is all that's in my fridge, y'all. All right, we talking too much. Okay.
Okay. It tastes like a sweet potato. I probably would have liked it a little more firm.
Okay. Okay.
But it has a good taste. I taste the spices, you know. I'm having trouble with this store-bought crust. Maybe she should have made it.
She gonna start roasting me, y'all.
No, I'm not roasting you.
No,
I'm roasting the store-bought.
I understand.
Okay.
Okay.
I like this one.
Really? Okay. Is it because it's warmer? Because I don't think I've changed any ingredients.
I mean, it tastes cool. It's not warm. It's not as cold as the one from
That's straight from the
yesterday.
fridge, yeah.
I like this one. I like I can taste the flavors more for this one.
Okay.
And even though it's a little less firm, I like that. Because like I said, it's like a souffle.
Gotcha. Okay.
And, excuse me.
As always, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe down below, and I'll see you next time. Peace.